Are you looking to upgrade your home with a bigger kitchen so you won't bump into each other in the small kitchen you currently have? Or are you looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger backyard for your beautiful kids to play? Hi, I am Melissa Walker with Homes on Melissa and the Walker Real Estate Group in EXP. I understand that looking for a new home, wondering if you're going to find a replacement home with such limited inventory, and thinking about all the paperwork, getting everything out of the house and moving into a new one is stressful. Sometimes you just don't want to deal with it. Listen, I get it. It can be one of the most stressful things you'll do in your lifetime. If you're with me this far, I guess maybe you're juggling around the idea of moving. Maybe your family is growing and the house you currently have is just too small. Or maybe your home is too big. Your wonderful kiddos have all moved out, they've graduated, and the houses are empty, and you're ready to move down. I work with a team of professionals that will help your move be a breeze. We'll be able to find you a replacement home even in this competitive market. We will also be able to help you get your current home sold at the right price for top dollar. So you'll end up getting more money in your pocket. Let's do this. Let's get your dream home that you and your family deserve. More questions? Give me a call. I am here to help. This is Melissa Walker with Homes on Melissa and the Walker Real Estate Group. Let us cater to all of your real estate needs because we are your real estate solution.